One of the hardest tasks of copywriting is to craft eye-catchy headlines, generate creative advertisements, and think about phenomenal ideas all the time about website copy, social media content, blogs, and so on. And while writing may sound like a casual job for some people, it is actually tedious for a writer to think about fresh ideas all the time. And writer's block is a serious issue which most of us face. Did you ever feel that brainstorming through ideas and playing around words and language and phrasing took your entire day, but still your copy looks dull and stale? If yes, high five, because despite the fact I have been practicing copywriting from a long time, I do waste long hours just writing stale, dull copy or a copy which is not very unique or open in perspective. And that's the reason why I keep experimenting with methods and tools to become faster and better with my copywriting skills. But today in this particular video, we will not talk about anything else, but we'll talk about only this one tool which I lately discovered, and this tool is actually helping me write faster, basically speed up my entire content creation process, and also generate better ideas or ideas with open perspective. But before I tell you about the tool, let me quickly introduce myself. So hi, I am Anuva, a marketer, an entrepreneur, and a slow traveler. And apart from all these fancy things, I love to call myself a human who is experimenting with things to find clarity in life. And on the same hand, I am new to YouTube, but I post a new video in every 5 days. So please hit the subscribe button, and now let's dive into the video. So the tool name is Copy.ai. It is relatively a new company which is founded by two very interesting people, Chris Liu and Paul Yacobian. So now the point is, what is Copy.ai? Copy.ai is a tool that uses artificial intelligence to write quality, high converting copy. All you have to do is briefly explain about your company or your product, and within 30 seconds, your screen will be packed somehow like this, and Copy.ai generates good copy for ads, emails, blogs, for your Instagram or social media, particularly Instagram, captions, Facebook headlines, Google ads, LinkedIn ads, listicles, and so on and so forth. Now, this is like a 10x writing productivity tool which we never thought we needed. Now, the point is that there are a lot of AI writing tools in the market, and it is difficult to keep a track of what does what. Also, most of them are actually struggling to differentiate themselves because most of them are using the same technology. But Copy.ai caught my attention and also attention of other people because of some notable things this company is doing, and one of such thing is their model of building in public. So I first got to know about Copy.ai from one of the known who discovered Copy.ai on Twitter, and since the time I'm following them, I think that's how a lot of other people came across their company. So basically what they do is they do monthly updates about what they are up to, about their MRR, and about a lot of things which not a lot of companies talk so openly. The other reason is that somehow not every competitor of Copy.ai is offering free trial of 7 days. Okay, now before I tell you how this tool works, let me quickly tell you about my experience of using Copy.ai. Okay, so when I first got to know about Copy.ai, I thought they will probably write A to Z everything for me if I give them about my product and company details in brief. However, I was wrong. Copy.ai or any other AI writing tool will not write everything for you despite the fact you give them your company website and tell them about your company briefly. And now when I think it is obvious also, it cannot beat human creativity or the detailing, or what I can say is it cannot provide you a very polished copy. But what they can provide you is a killer start, an open perspective, and various other different ideas which you can actually include in your copy. And also, sometimes it can also provide you a very polished copy, but specifically if you are looking for a headline or if you are looking for a small Facebook ads copy, because I have used their Facebook ads copy as it is by changing a word or two. But if you think any AI writing tool will give you a 500 word polished blog, then you might be wrong and it will not be of value there. Use it as a starting point and ideas generator, and you will find 100% value there. So now let me quickly take you to the tool.
So once you sign up for the tool, this dashboard will open in front of you. You have to click on create new project and you have to type in your project name and your website name. So over here I am using my brand, which is Tigger. It's a hot chocolate brand. So I am being specific with my project name and typing in the website, which is thetiggle.com. Now I have to choose the tone of the copy I need. So as of now I am going with relaxed, and once done you can click on the save button. Now you have to basically write about your product details in maximum 400 words. But before that, you should choose a tool, which is basically the feature or the platform for which you want to write this copy for. So right now, to show you an example, I'm choosing Instagram captions. And then quickly I'll type in 3 to 4 lines about my product. I will try to emphasize more on the kind of things I want my copy to be focusing on, like happiness, good quality cocoa, and deliciousness. So I'll suggest you do the same. Focus on the words which you really want the AI tool to generate for you. Click on the create button and it will take 30 seconds before it loads up all the Instagram captions. So all these captions you see on my screen, these are the first set of captions. If you like any, you can click on the heart button, which will go into the save tab, and you can go back and look at them anytime you want. But by any chance, if you don't like any of them in the first go, there's an option of make more. Click on that, it will generate a second set of Instagram captions for you. So you see this already, I can already see a difference between the first set and the second set. I really like the first one, so I'm clicking on the save button. And if you don't like, you can again click on, make more and go for the third set or fourth set till the time you are not satisfied. Also, one good trick is if you like any of the caption it is showing you or any of the idea it shows you, click on the make more button, which is right on the side of the caption. So what will happen, it will generate more ideas, but all those ideas will be based on the tonality and the structuring of the caption which you liked anyways. So basically, I think the trick over here is to keep clicking on make more and keep saving all those things so that you can come out of this overwhelming dashboard and go to the save tab and see all the captions which you really liked in first few sets of your copy. Now the point is you can also generate the same, you can also generate copy for LinkedIn ads, you can create for Facebook ads. So if you see on my screen on the left side, there's all the tools. You can see all the tool names over here and you can generate copy for any of these tools. So also for the blog ideas you can generate, it will take 30 seconds to load for each of them. And so blog ideas are like a blog about delicious hot chocolate and how to improve your hot chocolate experience, a blog about 7 types of hot chocolate and how to infuse joy to your life. This is actually good stuff, These are some of the ideas which will probably not open up in our head. Actually, it gives you a very second person angle to all these ideas. Yeah, so I hope this has given you a good idea about how you can use this tool, and I hope this helps you.
So I use copy.ai to eliminate the writer's block, come up with different approaches for my writing, and basically to speed up my entire content creation process. Do let me know in the comment section if you have ever used any AI writing tool, and do share about your experience. And also if you use copy.ai, do let me know how it went for you. I'll see you again in the next 5 days. Bye bye, take care.